Hello, I'm hiding behind the camera today. I just wanted to give you your directions for today's activity. And it's Friday, August 21st. So let's go and see what she has for us today. Here, we're going to work on a project. First thing you're going to do, as usual, you're going to click right here and do your attendance. And then we're going to do this. You're going to have this video that I'm making right here. And it's about the Spanish-speaking countries. So here's the introduction, and here's all the directions of what you need to do. I also gave you an example. So let me show you my example. So obviously I chose Colombia, of course. And this is what your expectations are. This is what I expect you to do. So you just put the different things that I'm asking for, one in each slide. And you are going to copy your URL. And look, I'm gonna show you how to submit the wait. One important thing. I lost it right here. One important thing. This is very important. Please pay attention. You click right here, share, and then you're gonna click right here, and you're gonna say anyone here. You kind of put school can see, and then you're gonna click done. If you don't do that, I cannot open your presentation, I cannot see your presentation, I cannot give you a grade. So that's why. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to submit it so we don't have excuses. I'm gonna put it from your student view, and when you open your assignment right here, oh man, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. Let's do the student view. Okay, when you open your assignment, these, instead of say publish or unpublish, it's going to say submit assignment. You click there, and then it's going to give you a box over here, down here. That is for you to put your URL and then submit it. Click and submit it. And that's it. I'm not going to give you more directions because it's very, very simple what you have to do today. Good luck with that. I hope that you... Okay, this one, let's see what the date is for this one. This one is due next week, but I would like to have it ASAP so you don't let accumulate your work. This one, but the other ones are due on the 21st, so I hope everything else is done. Alright, that's all for now. See you. Bye.